So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back and I'm gonna be police officer now. Just kidding, I have a new car. So, but
Ilak ang
I
kuan.
left my door open and I closed it.
Yep. Pagi sa ang car kanay car mo agi.
Wait, we have to look. There's a car coming. We have to wait.
Come on.
It looks like it's 18 already. It's almost 20. So in 20 I have to go.
Sige na.
So looks like
Look both ways. Kay mo liko ka. Sige.
no, look, there is. You have to look both ways. If it is a perfect, it's good. But if there's cars coming, we have to. So I'm going on the road.
Wala may car. Sige. Liko. Liko. Liko ba? To your left. Gitunob. Tunob ang gas. Sige.
So look like my car is running out of gas, so I stopped it. The gas station is near me, so I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm going to the gas station. A car is running out of gas. Go in the gas station.
Careful. Liko, liko. Kaya mabanggaan ang car. Liko si right. Magpagas ba daw siya?